Everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look here at ICP, seeing what's going on. We're going to double check a few key factors from our analysis from yesterday and just make sure that we are on the right track here with this coin. So if you are new to the channel, just know I'm not a financial advisor and I truly do love teaching people to trade. Hope you can learn something here today. If you do want to become a better trader, consider joining our Crypto Cash community. Phenomenal group of folks over here in our Discord. We took some nice profits here from Solana. What was it? Good 61% target for 7 days. Polkadot 17% in 24 hours. There's another Solana trade there, 60% 7 days. Then of course Chainlink at about 15% in 9 hours. So we took some longs and some shorts there. That is a Chainlink short, and we got some Solana and Bitcoin longs open here right now. So the question here is, is ICP worth trading? Well, when we summarized yesterday, the answer was yes. It was definitely worth trading, and it has gone up pretty significant since. So we'll talk about that, but let's go ahead and quickly double check a couple of things here first on the daily. So if we take a look here at the daily time frame, we can see the price kind of working within the fib levels here. We can also confirm that we've been above 50 on the RSI, stochastic RSI swinging up, and money flow index is above 50. Those are all very bullish signs. Okay, that in conjunction with the MACD convergence and being above all moving averages on the daily time frame is phenomenal. I believe the 4-hour time frame also reflects the same behavior here, which it does. All 4 moving averages are below the price action. So generally means that you should consider, or you're more likely to find success if you consider long positions versus short positions. Okay, doesn't mean the price can't still pull back. It obviously did pull back a little bit, but that's natural. The truth is the price is going up right now, and you don't want to fight against the current. You want to essentially make sure that when it's curving upwards, you essentially consider more long than short positions. Again, I like to say that just because some folks kind of think it's like, oh, it's overextended, it's going to pull back, I'm just going to short, and you're providing a lot more risk taking a short right now to yourself than you are taking a long. And in general, it's inherently more risky to short than it is to take a long position. So please understand that it's not ideal in this situation here, especially when we're above 50 and below 70 in the RSI, stochastic swinging up for the second time here, and of course the MACD is still converging. Those are all positive contributing factors. No reason to try to short this coin right now. If we take a look at the hourly though, this is something we want to confirm as well. Ichimoku Cloud has to always give us a good confirmation of whether or not you want to leave your long position open. Okay, now is it too late to take a long? Maybe, maybe not. I would say yes in general, just based on the fact that this weekend here, we're kind of consolidating at that 0.786 level. We've been pretty bullish for the last 7 or 8 hours straight, and it would make sense for the price to kind of slow down a little bit now. Having said that though, conversion line is right there at the baseline, pretty much swinging upwards. Same thing with the lagging span, free and clear of the price action, and the cloud is below the price right now. Okay, so those are all positive contributing factors, and the cloud itself is going to be consolidating at this 0.618 level. So we can see it had some difficulty getting through that range of roughly $13. We've talked about $13 being an important level for us. That would imply the price does pull back. That'd be a good entry is to consider a long right in the $13 range. So I'm going to go ahead and set an alert and kind of take a closer look at that $13 price range, if it even comes back to that level, and then see if that might be worthwhile getting in. Okay, see, because me personally, I'd rather not short to that level. I'd much rather take a long at that level. It's much safer because again, we've confirmed we're bullish right now. Some people can't seem to wrap their head around why don't I short to those levels that I'm consistently able to find these pivots and these bounces, right? Well, the truth is we don't know if the price is going to pull back, but if it does, we know we have more success going to the upside than the downside, as long as those confirming factors we just saw on the 4-hour and the daily are still present. Okay, so we're going to reevaluate and double check those things, but for the moment right now, I think at this point, no trade is probably the best trade. However, if you have an open long position, you don't need to consider even taking profits at this point. It's basically letting us know that we are free and clear and there shouldn't be any cause for concern. Okay, so that's generally where we're at here for ICP. I would say that's phenomenally positive and absolutely something you want to consider if you are in a long position. I would just say adjust your stop loss higher. That's all there is to it. That's, to me personally, I'd much rather secure profit and walk away at the end of the day even with a few dollars than to have a substantial loss or to be in the green and to not take any profit at all. I think that's almost worse than taking a loss, is having a lot of profit and not taking it. Okay, so again, different strokes for different folks, but I've survived the market for 20 plus years now, both traditional and crypto markets, and I can tell you, it's the best way to survive and to thrive. And this is my full-time job. I can tell you, it's it's easy once you understand how to take profit. Okay, or it gets easier, however, right? Either way, all the other stuff I teach in my trading university, be sure to check that out, cryptocash.tech, if you want to become a better trader. Also, make sure you reference Bitunix, phenomenal exchange, link down below for these guys here. They are excellent. Super, super thankful to have them in our community. No KYC or VPN, of course. Healthy rewards. Use my link to register. They're going to be adding over 200 trading pairs, including ICP, later this year. Or sorry, later this month, rather. But they're going to add more trading pairs throughout the year. Really cool stuff. Check them out. They are a phenomenal exchange. Super appreciative of them. Thank you, Bitunix, and thank you as well for watching. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks again for your time. We'll see you next one. Take care.